Hi friends. I'm Max. Let's learn about our amazing body together. This is your brain. It helps you think, learn, and play. Your heart goes thump thump. It pumps blood all around your body. These are your lungs. They help you breathe. Your skeleton keeps you strong and standing tall. This is your skull. It protects your brain. Your kidneys clean your blood and keep you healthy. Your tummy, or stomach, helps turn food into energy. Your muscles help you run, jump, and play. These tiny tubes carry blood all over your body. Your hands help you wave, clap, and hold things. Your feet help you walk, run, and dance. Your eyes help you see this fun video. Great job, friends. Thanks for learning with me.
See you again next time.